Hello everyone, my name is Teacher Kit. What's your name? Good job. Okay, today we will continue with the structures. Let's start. He's a doctor. He's a doctor. One more time. He's a doctor. Very good. He's a driver. Again. He's a driver. He's a driver. Nice. She's a teacher. She's a teacher. Again, she's a teacher. Very good. He's a worker. Again, he's a worker. Faster. He's a worker. Good job. He's a cook. Louder. He's a cook. Faster. He's a cook. Great job. He's a farmer. One more time. He's a farmer. Last time. He's a farmer. Very good. She's a singer. Again, she's a singer. Faster. She's a singer. Good job. She's a nurse. She's a nurse. Louder. She's a nurse. Good job. Okay, now I will ask some questions. Are you ready? What's his job? He's a driver. Nice. What's his job? He's a doctor. Very good. What's her job? She's a singer. Great job. What's his job? He's a worker. Excellent. What's her job? She's a nurse. Very good. What's his job? He's a cook. Excellent. What's her job? She's a teacher. Nice. What's his job? He's a farmer. Very good. Now we'll end here. Thank you and goodbye.